Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the quick FPS drop test in this OnePlus 11R after recent software update. As you can see, this is a OnePlus 11R device which I'm trying to use, and right now let me do the quick drop test. And right now you should be able to see how is overall FPS is maintaining at this device. So this is after the recent update which I'm trying to do in this OnePlus 11R device. And you can see the CPU and the GPU utilization, how much it's maintaining at this moment in this OnePlus 11R. And right now the FPS dropped to 83 FPS it dropped. So 83 is the lowest value which we did see in this OnePlus 11R at this moment. So I'll try to do the another FPS drop test immediately, and we'll try to compare both. So right now, as you can see, this is the second time of me doing the FPS drop test in this OnePlus 11R device. And right now let me to show you exact FPS. It's maintaining about 88 FPS, 88 and 89. As you can see, friends, 88 and 90 FPS. 87 is the lowest value. 86, 84. So far 84 is the lowest value we have seen in the OnePlus 11R device. So this is a quick FPS drop test after the recent update in this OnePlus 11R device. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. And right now it's maintaining about 18 and 90 FPS, which is not bad. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to check the playlist videos. All the links will be available in the description below. Until then, signing off and bye.